In the beginning, we do 中天 movement. 中天, this is very important. Ready, blow. Feel any negative feeling go away. We are very pure. Left hand up. Connect to heaven, to universe. Down, slowly. Follow me. Go. Freeze. Again. Go. Go through this position again. Go. And then right hand make a circle. 1 closer to your ear. 2 push closer to your ribs, closer to your body, gradually to the side. 1, 2, hand, this hand flex. And then 1, hold. This is your left hand. Now is relax your wrist. Hand naturally limp. And 2, flex. 2, closer to your body. Gradually go farther from your body. 1, 2. 1, 2. Your right hand push. You feel your whole body go farther. Like your body like a boat. This push the water and then you go farther. Actually, this moment is on the universe, in heaven. You feel this push energy, your body flying, go farther. 1, 2, you look this side, but you feel go this side. You feel go very far. 1, 2. 1, 2. Lean your body and slightly shift weight for the buttocks. So now more weight to this buttocks. And then almost to the limit, and then naturally go back. You see, go back. In the beginning can be smaller movement, little by little getting bigger, but not too big. Do not lose balance. 1, 2, go farther. 1, 2, right arm straight. 1, 2, left arm in the beginning straight. 1, curved. 2, and then gradually smaller. Just like this, gradually stop.